Hey, Arturo fan here. Today I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft Teams in 30 seconds. Now, before we get into it, a couple of warnings. This is not a pirate download, so if you're planning to download it pirated, this is not for that. All right, let's talk about how you can get Microsoft Teams now. Microsoft Teams is basically bundled into two versions. One, the basic version, which is the free one, and you don't need to have the Office 365 in order to get it. However, you do need to have a Microsoft account to be able to use it. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, then go ahead and create an Outlook account, Hotmail, whatever it is. You can access it, you can log it with that one. The second option is to have a Microsoft Office 365. And the way this works is you need to be part of an institution. It could be either a school or a workplace, a private company. So if you're part of a school, then talk to your IT administrator at your school. You can send an email or call, and they will guide you on how to access Microsoft Office 365. If you're part of an organization, you can talk to your manager to see if they have bought the license for it, and if they did, then you can download it for free and log in with your workplace account. If you're a student, you have to log in with your school account. If you're using the basic version, you can use any account you want as long as it is a Microsoft account. So let's go to my screen real quick and let's see how you can actually download that. So you're going to open your favorite browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Opera, you name it. And then on the top bar here, you're going to type download Microsoft Teams. And depending on your operating system, well, first then you're going to click a non-advertisement link, for example, this one. Now, depending on your operating system, it's going to show you one logo here on the bottom center, but it doesn't matter which operating system you're on because Microsoft Teams is cross-platform. It's using TypeScript, which is a language that is going to be the same for every operating system. If you're on Mac, if you're on Linux, if you're on Windows. So it's the same concept for all operating systems. So here on the bottom center, you're going to click on download Teams, and that's it. You just go to the download section, double click it, and just follow the installation. That's how you install Microsoft Teams. Once again, it is cross-platform, written in TypeScript and other frameworks, so you don't have to worry about compatibility between your mobile device, your Mac, your Windows. It's streamlined in all operating systems. Now, if you're planning to use Microsoft Teams for work or for school, I highly recommend you check out my courses. They're totally free, and I'm covering how to remove the background, how to change the background, how to suppress that noise. For example, I'm working with the fan right now and you don't hear anything. So it's the same concept for Microsoft Teams. I'm also going to cover how to do calls, how to do meetings, how to set up schedule, how to set up channels. Everything is going to be on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you can learn about Teams. So I hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.